Throughout your home or office, hundreds of hard-to-reach areas could be covered in pathogens that cause and spread viruses, like COVID-19. You may not have the right equipment to properly disinfect these areas, and the stakes couldn't be higher. LA County has now surpassed 1,500 deaths, with over 32,000 confirmed cases. Do not let your family, employees, or customers become another statistic. Traditional methods of cleaning like mopping, spraying, and wiping provide only limited disinfecting coverage. That's why we at Karma Carpet Cleaning are now offering a professional disinfection service for both your home and your office. Our professional-grade machines produce a light mist of our hospital food-grade disinfectant solution. This solution kills bacteria, viruses, and pathogens in minutes. The disinfectant is broken down into microns that can fully cover surfaces, killing everything in its path. Unlike traditional disinfecting processes, our mist can be applied to soft surfaces like carpet and upholstery, and even electronics like computers, keyboards, and televisions. Do not hesitate to take the offense in this fight against COVID-19. Call Karma Carpet Cleaning today